Hello everyone, I'm Shakur, and in this video I'm gonna show you about SQL injection, a basic SQL injection. So let's start. So as you can see that this is a regular working site, and today we'll practice on this side. So let's check that it's vulnerable or not. Yes, it's vulnerable. Now let's try to solve this vulnerability, or try to go to the regular side. No, the vulnerability is still available. Yes, now the vulnerability is gone. So now let's find out the how many columns exist. Let's try 10. So I'm in column 10. So now let's try 5. Yes, 5 or more column exist. Now let's try 6. Oh, they have 5 columns. Now let's try to identify the vulnerable points using union statement. Yeah, as you can see that I got 2 vulnerable points, 2 and 3. So now let's work with 3. Let's try a demo request. User, that means it works. So let's find out the table in name information. So I'll use group concat. Concat table name from information schema dot tables where table schema equal database. You can see that we got a lot of result, a lot of table name, but we'll mainly work with admin table, right? Because it contains the admin or user information, basically admin information. Yeah, so now we'll find out the column name from admin table, column name from information schema dot columns, where table name equal to admin. Yes, as you can see that we got some column name. So now let's find out the value of this from this column. So as now we got the column name as well as table name, we don't need this information schema. We directly can execute like that. Yes, here we got some value, but that's not a good format. So we'll just try to make a good format, which is a good practice, So we are putting bracket. Yeah, so now you can see that this is in a user readable format. So now it's the password, right? This one is entry ID, user ID, password, type, and status. So let's copy the password and check that it's a MD5 hash. So if you will decrypt it, you will get a value of this. So now you can try this value to get into the site, like admin. So you got the admin page here. From here you can access the site, okay, using that password and that username. Okay, that's all. Thank you.